Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin Cash. We see a small green candle there. It's not enough to say that price has bottomed at the moment because we're making lower lows, lower highs. The downtrend here, the local downtrend, that consolidation is still unfolding. I have absolutely no evidence that it has bottomed. It could have because we have an A wave complete, we have a B wave, and we have a C wave technically complete as well with 5 waves. Now that doesn't mean it has to turn around, but this is now the area where it can start to turn around. Next major Fibonacci level is $210 and then 182. Let's call it 180, which is basically the pivot point, the decision point between, okay, we can get one more high in this 5th wave to 395 approximately, or it's going to make new lows, potentially even new bear market lows. So it's a very important level. The closer you can get into the pivot point, the better the reward to risk ratio. But just note that it's not the best long-term chart, okay? So it's an overall bearish context on this chart, as explained in previous videos. But in this video, we just want to focus on the shorter time frame. Again, you can see we have 5 waves down in the C wave, so it can technically turn around. But it's just not enough evidence. I need to see a 5 wave move up now to the upside, followed by a 3 wave move down. Next, smaller micro resistance is at 259. So getting above that level would already have potentially bullish implications, but it would be more important to get above this wave 2 high at 295. With that, we would also get a break above the descending trend line of this descending broadening wedge pattern. Why have we seen such a green candle? I mean, it's nothing special, right? We've had it here. You know, you get these. You just sometimes get these. But yeah, all it did, it hit a spike on the volume profile indicator. So you can just add any volume profile here, and you can see it hit that. It hit the spike here. Ah, come on, it doesn't. There you go. Yeah, it basically touched here this spike on the volume profile, and this is always the area on these VRVP, but other volume profile indicators show the same thing. This is the area where price it gets choppy. Yeah, where it gets choppy. Here, yeah, choppiness. Yeah, where you have these spikes on the volume profile, because that's where you have support and resistance. So also here, it's a bit of local support, and it will take a little bit of work and time to get through. Then you get here a bit of an insufficiency, and then again a spike at that 182 level that I mentioned. But I don't like to introduce too many variables to indicators because they don't really make it clearer. But they can help to understand where we could get a bounce. But yeah, it's just not enough yet to say that the wave 5 has started. Just want to highlight here that we now have 5 waves down complete. Would still be good to get a bit more of a longer wave 5, we'll see. And then at some point this wave 4 is likely over. The good news is the move down currently looks corrective. So I give it decent odds to push higher once more, but just bear in mind that the overall chart context is slightly bearish as discussed in previous videos, because yeah, Bitcoin Cash lost like 98% roughly of value compared to Bitcoin cycle over cycle. So just be aware of that. But yeah, here we have a nice potential setup, not upset, a setup. The best setups though are so-called 1-2 setups. This here is a wave 4 pullback, but it's a decent one, and the wave 5 should come in 5 waves. So the 5th wave should also get a small 1-2 setup, a 3rd wave, a 4th, and a 5th. And then as we approach this area here, we will have the next decision point, but we're not there yet. First of all, we need to establish a low in this support area, in this fib support area. And let's take a look at the RSI if we see any divergences on this chart. So not yet on the 4 hour. So there's no bullish divergence. That's normally, it's not needed, but it would be good to see a divergence, would be a first indication that things are turning around. Well, on the 1 hour, I do see one, yeah. Bullish divergence, but I think the 4 hour would be more meaningful. So let's see if we start to see, I mean, if it now makes one more low, yeah, if it makes one, then the indicator could show a higher low. That would be the divergence. That's often, again, not needed, but that helps with a possible bottoming structure. But yeah, hey, it can turn around now at any point. As I said, we've got 5 waves down in the C wave. That's what I wanted to see. Next support is 210 and then 182. And as long as 182 is holding, a 5th wave can happen. Alright, that's my update about Bitcoin Cash. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.